see what else is in the box?
Okay. Ooh, wow! Look, Mama!
It's a robe. Look.
It's a robe. It's my
And it's
robe.
got, who's it got on it?
Dora! What's she wearing on?
I don't know.
And a cup. Is this a cup?
Uh-huh. It has your name on it.
That says Avery. Daddy, look. Oh, Mommy, look, a butterfly. Look, blue flowers. Blue, orange, yellow, pink, orange, and purple and pink. And what comes after purple? Blue, yellow, orange, pink, blue. That's all those flowers. I keep counting them.